Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. So as you guys can see, I did a little bit of shopping on Shop Miss A. Now, I'm no stranger to Shop Miss A. It's basically a website where every single thing on there is $1, which y'all know your girl's cheap, so anything is $1, I am there for the most part. Now, when it comes to Shop Miss A, I can definitely say that that website is definitely a hit or miss depending on what you're buying. There are some really gold jewels that you can find on there, and then there's some things where it's just like you don't really need it. So yeah, before I get into this little mini haul, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to your girl down below. Helps a lot. And yeah, let's get started. So first and foremost, I just want to say Shop Miss A is definitely like the Dollar Tree version of Sally's Beauty Supply, I feel like, in a way, because like they have all beauty related, like they have socks, they have makeup, they have even makeup brushes, palettes, you know, lipsticks, eyeliners, eyelashes, tweezers, you know, nail files, all that good stuff, jewelry. Like they have a lot of stuff on their website. Even just jewelry alone, they have a boatload of stuff. So again, those are one of the websites I do really like shopping on because of all the stuff that you can actually get from them. So basically I went shopping on there a couple days ago and I decided to, why not make a video about it? I mean, hey, I got a YouTube channel now, so I gotta be putting out content, right? So first and foremost, everything I got came in this cute bag here, which is their signature Miss A logo. It shows you the website and all that good stuff. So yeah, if you guys want to check it out, we'll definitely leave a link down below. Now, I most likely won't leave a link to every individual product just because that'll be a lot of work. Okay, I will definitely leave a link for the website down below for you guys to check them out, and maybe you'll start shopping on there too, who knows. Now, what I can say when it comes to tracking your shipping and all that good stuff, they're really not good when it comes to that. And also because of the fact that this company is based off of overseas, you can't sit up here and order from them and think that you're gonna sit up here and get your item like 2 days later. Like no, like you're gonna be waiting like 2, maybe 3 weeks to be getting your stuff from them. Like I live in Pennsylvania, so that's about the average time it takes for me to get something. So just throwing that out there. If you're planning on buying a buttload of stuff from them, don't be expecting to get it super quick. All right, so the first thing I wanted to show you guys is this crystal black sheet mask, which is apparently supposed to be charcoal. So this is what the item looks like. Now, I actually did buy 2 of these just to kind of see like how like the feel for it and all that good stuff. And I feel like it's okay. Like it's, I don't know, for some weird reason when I was shopping on the website, I thought it was like a scrub type of situation where like you literally had to put it on your face itself, like yourself. But it's literally just like one of those like regular old sheets where you plop on your face. Did I scare you? Did I? Yes, no. So this is what the mask looks like. I literally just plopped it on. So we'll see. The directions on the little package thingy says to leave it on for like 20 to 30 minutes. I'm gonna leave it on for like, I guess 25, which is like the happy medium. It fits okay on my face. It's just like right above my lip. It's a little awkward. But like, yeah, I'm looking high-key crazy right now, but we'll see how I feel after I take it off. It has a lot of product on it, so they definitely didn't go skimpy on the product whatsoever. But yeah, it's looking a little cray. Alright guys, so update on the mask. It actually did do a really good job. Now there's a lot of other factors that kind of play into the way my face is, but I can honestly say that it did smooth it up quite a bit. Like my face does feel really good. I mean, it didn't clear up any blemishes or nothing like that because I didn't really have any pimples besides this annoying scar on my face. But it does feel very good. It was very easy to press on into the skin after you take the mask off. It is very sticky though, but I guess that's like a normal thing. But yeah, so I would recommend it at least to try it out, like especially if you're new when it comes to doing sheet masks and stuff like that for your face. I definitely recommend it. You do get a lot of product, so it's not like you're getting like a little tiny drop. Like your whole face is saturated. It's pretty good. I would definitely recommend buying it. So the next thing I picked up from them was actually this primer. Now, when I did pick this primer up, I'm like, you know what, why not? Because the only other primer I do own is the e.l.f. Illuminating Mist, and that's not really like a creamy type of, you know, solution. It's like a spray. So I wanted like a spray and something like a little bit thicker, just to kind of see how it compared and how I would like it when it came to doing my makeup and covering my pores. Now, for this particular makeup look, I didn't use this primer. I did use the e.l.f. primer as well, but just showing you guys now like the consistency of this particular primer. It's not very thick. It's kind of like a watery lotion, if I can really explain, like the best way I can really explain it. But yeah, so I like it though. It glides on very smooth. It's a little bit on the watery side, but I will try this the next time I put my makeup on, just to kind of see how it compares. Because right now I feel like my makeup looks pretty good. Got a little stuff in my nose, but that's cool. But yeah, so that's what that's looking like right now. As of now, I do like the consistency. I do like the fact that it'll be very easy to blend. So we will see how that goes. So the next thing I got from Shop Miss A, I actually got 3 of these, and this is the Makeup Remover Cleansing Wipes, and the style I got this in is Rose Water. So that's what the packaging looks like. Now, what I can definitely say about this is it definitely does smell like roses. Like, I love the way roses smell. It's so just nice. But yeah, so I feel as though that this works okay. It's not, I'm not gonna sit up here and say it's like the best makeup remover wipes in the whole entire world, but it works for me. I typically use about 2 of them, and then like if I do a full face of makeup like this, then I'll use this, or else I'll use my e.l.f. makeup remover, like the eye makeup remover. But for this, I feel like it works pretty well. I do feel as though I have to go over my face multiple times when I do use this though, because I mean, for me personally, I wipe my makeup off, hop in the shower, rinse my face, and then I also put Noxzema on and then rinse my face again. So all the makeup's off my face. But for those of you that usually don't, I would recommend you having to use maybe like 2, maybe even 3 wipes of these, depending on how much you cake on your makeup. Okay, so the next thing I got from them is actually this brush cleaner sponge thingy. Now on the website it claimed that you just basically run your brush, like your makeup brushes on it, and it's supposed to get like the excess powder and stuff off of it. All right, so let me just get my, what's all this, F14 brush. Now this brush is usually the brush that I like to use to contour my face. So let's, I mean, like you can see like somewhat of the color that I wiped off on it. Lord, it's starting to come off. Lord, I need to get new makeup brushes. But anyways, I mean, maybe I'm just using it wrong. I don't know. I'm actually gonna try to wet this and see how that goes, and maybe there'll be a difference. But yeah, that's another doohickey I decided to pick up. So another thing I picked up from them is actually this sponge. Now for this sponge, what I decided to do with it is whenever I bake, that's the sponge that I use. Yeah, so basically I use this sponge to set my under eyes and all my highlight areas. I feel like this sponge is very good. It does what it's supposed to do. It definitely keeps the product on, and it doesn't like smudge my makeup all over the place. It does exactly what it's supposed to do. Just pat it on there a little bit, you're all set. So there's that. So as you guys can see, I do use this a couple times. But yeah, so this is definitely something from this haul that I do like, so I would highly recommend this particular item here. So another thing I picked up from them is their Fat Lash Mascara. So that's what that looks like. Now when it does come to this mascara, I do like it. Actually, when it comes to my natural lashes, I can kind of see them a little bit more. And granted, a lot of high-end mascaras I really don't see do that. So I would recommend to get this one. You do get a whole lot of product because this is like a fat amount. Does it say the ounces on here? No. So it has 11 grams / 0.39 ounces. So I feel like that's a pretty decent amount for a mascara. And then this is what the tip looks like. So nothing fancy, nothing crazy like that, but I do like the mascara a lot, and I will definitely be planning on picking up another one the next time I order from them. Okay, so the next thing I picked up from them as well, because I am getting more into makeup and all that good stuff, is this little bag here. Now, I can honestly say on the website, they claim that you can fit XYZ and basically your whole entire makeup routine, whatever, join in the bag. To me, that's not the case. Mind you, I don't have 20 different products that I use on my face. Like, I use basically the bare minimum, and not everything fits in here. So just letting y'all know, like, here's my head compared to this bag, here's my hand compared to this bag. So this bag isn't like gigantic. Like, if you were to sit up here and just have like a beauty blender and your foundation and like concealers and stuff, then you should be good. But like, if you have like a whole like concealer kit, like if you have this plus this plus this and then this and then this, like, not everything including the brushes is gonna fit in here. So if you just want to pack like the bare minimum that'll get you by, then yeah, you'll be good with this bag. But if you want to have like the whole shebang, like your setting powder, loose powder, banana powder, brushes, everything, then this bag isn't the bag for you. But it's cute though. Like, I'll use it for other stuff, why not? Like, it's still a cute bag. But yeah, there's that. So another thing I picked up from them was this. It's the Halo highlighter. So that's what that looks like. I tend to like using more highlighters on like the pink side because I feel like they stand out a bit more on my skin personally. Now, I did like the consistency of it. It's really nice. I mean, it is very pigmented. Like, look. And let me just swatch it a little bit on my face. So yeah, it really does pop up. I mean, I already do currently have highlighter on my face, but this really kind of brings out the look even more. But yeah, so I feel as though this highlighter is very good. But yeah, so I really like this highlighter. Again, I feel as though it definitely brings out my face a little bit more. And let me just swatch it on the front of my hand so you guys can kind of see that a little bit more. But yeah, so I think it's a winner, so I would consider getting this again. But yeah, so there's that. Alright guys, so that's pretty much it when it comes to this little haul. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to your girl down below. If there's anything you guys, like products and stuff that you guys are curious about that I didn't mention, please don't hesitate to either inbox me or write a comment down below. I will most definitely respond to you guys because, I mean, hey, I want us to be a family. You know what I'm saying? Like, I want us to connect and chat and all this other fun type of stuff. Like, I'm not stuck up. Like, obviously I made a channel that because I want to connect with people and all that good stuff. So yeah, do that. But since you're already here, let me just scoot to the side. Might as well watch my next video. I mean, why not? You're already here. Like, why not? Like, look, I'll even put 2 videos up for you guys to choose from because I'm feeling that generous today. Like, look at that. Look at that. So you either want something beauty related or you want me to just rant about something. Like, you got your choice. You got your pick on what you're in the mood to see today. Okay? I'm being so nice. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that.